Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send Robux to friends on mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Tap More in the bottom right corner. Then select Create. Next, tap the navigation bar in the top left corner and choose Creations. Select one of your experiences from the list. Tap the navigation bar again, scroll down, and select Passes. Tap Create a Pass, give it a name like My Pass, and then tap Create Pass. Once your pass is created, scroll down to find it and tap on it. Open the navigation bar, select Sales, and enable Item for Sale. Enter the Robux amount you want to receive, remembering that Roblox keeps 30%. After setting the price, tap Save Changes and confirm by selecting Proceed. Next, open a web browser on your mobile and go to the official Roblox website. Sign into your account, then select Creations. Scroll to the experience where you created the game pass. Tap Store and select the pass. Copy the full link from the address bar. Send this link to your friend. When they open it, they can purchase the pass to send you Robux. So that's basically how you can send Robux to friends on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.